Today we worked with our chickens and made sure they stay healthy and strong. This morning, we vaccinated our chickens to protect them from diseases. Vaccination is very important because it helps prevent serious infections in poultry. We carefully handled each chicken one by one. We made sure they were calm and safe before giving them the vaccine. It is important to use clean equipment during vaccination. After vaccinating, we observed the chickens for a while. We checked if any chicken was feeling weak or stressed. Healthy chickens are active, eat well, and move around normally. We also provided fresh and clean drinking water to all the chickens. Clean water is very important for their health and growth. We changed their water regularly to keep it free from dirt and bacteria. We fed the chickens high-quality feed. Good nutrition helps them grow faster and stay healthy. A balanced diet includes grains, protein, and essential vitamins. We cleaned the chicken coop properly. A clean environment prevents diseases and keeps chickens comfortable. We removed waste and old bedding from the coop. Fresh air and proper ventilation are also very important. We made sure that the co-op had enough airflow. This helps reduce bad smells and harmful gases. We checked the temperature inside the co-op. Chickens need a comfortable temperature to stay healthy. Too much heat or cold can make them sick. We also examined the chickens for any signs of illness. We looked for symptoms like weakness, low appetite, or unusual behavior. Early detection helps in quick treatment. We separated any chicken that looked unhealthy. This prevents the spread of disease to other chickens. Isolation is an important step in poultry care. We kept records of vaccination and health checks. This helps us track the health of our flock over time. Good record keeping is very useful for farmers. Taking care of chickens requires attention and responsibility. Healthy chickens mean better production and better results. Regular care and monitoring are the keys to success. We love taking care of our chickens every day. It is important to treat them kindly and gently. Proper care ensures they live a healthy and productive life. At the end of the day, we made sure everything was in order. The chickens were safe, fed, and comfortable. This is how we maintain a healthy poultry farm.